Hey guys, it's Diana with Stamping Moon, and I'm excited to talk to you today. Today I have this great little project. If you follow me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, you've been seeing me post these adorable simple stamping projects all week. Today we're wrapping it up with a bow. I'm going to show you how to make this little box. It is super simple. You can find simple stamping ideas all over the internet if you just search for the hashtag simple stamping. These cards are from these super simple. They are note cards that come pre-scored. All you have to do is fold them, stamp on them, add your designer series paper or other amazing paper. The paper I'm using for my projects all week is the paper you can get free right now. It's Sale-A-Bration. It's a once a year sale that State Farm, sorry, my day job, Stampin' Up has, and it is the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series Paper. It is free with a $50 purchase, and this stuff is amazing. I showed you in my unboxing video, but look at this. One side is all these beautiful papers that are patterns, or you can color. Just yum, yum, yum. Love the gingham. And then ready for spring on the back side or the front side, however you look at it. Love these colors. And you guys who know me know purple is one of my favorites. So back to this box. So this is the simplest part of it, and it is literally so simple that you're just gonna die. The cards fit in it perfect. It is a great little project that you can just customize to almost any event, any holiday. For my cards, I used this amazing kit. It is perfect for new stampers or for someone that would just like all-in-one kit that comes with everything. It includes all these images, words, and flowers. Perfect. The kit you can see here includes all this stuff. I've got the kit right here. These are the stamps I used, and all I had to add was the Memento Tuxedo Black ink. It comes with a block for you, so you don't even have to purchase that. There's some basic gray ink in here as well. And then with this kit, you can make all of these projects, multiple ones. Sorry, I should have wrote down, somewhere. No, doesn't say how many cards. But anyway, it's a ton, great value. And you could invite some girlfriends over. You guys could share a packet, drink some wine, have a great time. So anyway, I just love this different variations of text and sentiments. So that is what I used to make my projects. To make this box, it is super simple. We are going to score a half sheet of the designer series paper. You can see here, this is 6 inches by 12 inches, and there's the back side. What I also did for my project is I just added a very simple strip of 1-inch designer series paper, and I adhered that to my 12 by 6 paper, just like that, before I went and scored. You can do it either way. You can make it even fancier, and I'll show you that later. But what you're going to do is get your scoring tool of choice. This is mine. I have also used a pencil and marked my scoring lines. You know, my vision is not the best as I'm getting older, and I know I'm not the only one. So be sure that you use the scoring tool, not the cutting tool, or you'll be starting a different project, maybe a card. Anyway, so you're going to score at 3 3/4 first, so I'll just do that once to show you how easy it is, just like that. And then you'll go on to score at your 3 3/4, and then move over 2 inches, and then another 3 3/4, and then 2 inches, and that's going to leave you with a 1/2 inch flap on the end. So here you have it. I've started this one, and I've seem to have lost my snips. Here we go. I recommend that you cut all these at an angle. It just finishes the final project off better. There's no wrong way to do this. It's just to get the bulk out when you go and glue this sucker together and fold it up. And again, you can see how those pencil lines really help you. And this does not have to be perfect. You're just looking to hit those points there. Then you're literally just going to fold it on the score lines. I didn't mention, but you also are going to score it 2 inches from one side, either the top or bottom, and that'll become your bottom. Either way it works. So there's all my flaps, just like on a big cardboard box that you might see, or maybe a gift bag that you purchase at the store. Who needs that? You can make your own. I have used my tear tape here. This stuff is awesome. It's super sticky, and you can just put it right on your project and cut through it. And then you can actually mail these flat, and when you're ready to glue it together, you just peel off this backing. And to put this sucker together, all you're going to do is line up that fold with the edge of your paper. Probably the hardest part of it, actually, which it's not hard. Smush that together. Then I've got another piece of tear tape on here. Well, no, I don't. But we can fix that. Here we go. Just shows you how easy it is. Put it down here, and I'm actually going to tear it just like the name. Then I'm just going to snip that off to make it nice and smooth. But again, you can see that's not even cut straight. Does not matter. And if you want, you can trim off the very edge of that, just so it doesn't, if it's not perfectly square, it doesn't line up perfectly, it's not going to come out the front. So again, we're going to rip off the tear tape, only one side though. I stopped getting my nails done, so they're kind of a mess. They needed a rest. I was doing those dip nails and they're just needing some TLC. Look at that! How easy is that? Talk about simple stamping. There's no stamping involved. It just makes a cute bag. Here's one that I've got where I actually, all I did was pinch in these edges. And look, it looks like a little purse now. Super cute. If you message me, I can email you a PDF that will have all the things I've used, the sizes. I'll have a little diagram here for you. And of course, you've got this video to watch. Right now, the specials of the celebration are in full swing. There's some new ones coming out as well. Freebies with a $50 purchase. There's some if you purchase 100 that you get as well. They are limited time. You remember that ribbon I used earlier? This stuff, it's awesome. Sold out. You can't get it. Gotta buy it while you can, people. There are so many adorable things in this limited edition occasions catalog right now. I will tell you, I made this. Look at that. Hello. This is not simple stamping. This uses the Big Shot, but this is the same exact box. Look at that. All I did was cut a ribbon of paper and moved it up to the top to get the scalloped edge. It's a framelit that's in the Occasions catalog. And then I added this tag, love what you do, right? We should do that all day long. And then I added these handles with the little brads. I'm so happy the brads are back. Thank you, Stampin' Up. And then this is a special gift. I started a new stamping group for Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, and you can be a happy shopper or you can be a business stamper. It does not matter. We don't care. We love you all. If you're creative, you can ask me more about it. If you're not creative and you want to make a business out of it, whatever. We take everyone and love you all. So I made this for Julie, and our group is for any Kansas City area, Kansas, Missouri, Kansas City, greater Kansas City area, and it's called KC Mo Kansas Stampers, and we had an awesome time last weekend. You may have seen my posts, but this cute little banner, just using DSP. How fun is that? So I want to thank you for spending some time with me today, and remember, you can get all the details to make this project yourself, and I hope that you can find some time to do some simple stamping yourself and find some great ideas using the hashtag that Stampin' Up created, simple stamping. And thank you again, and have a great day.